breaking update because it seems that Pakistan is already feeling the pressure. And what an embarrassment. This is another embarrassment coming in their way because Pakistan wanted to project its role as a so-called peacemaker. And this is what peace means to Pakistan. Well, this seems to be the backtracking on part of the Pakistani Defense Minister, Khwaja Asif, in a way that he had called out death to Israel, and the way that condemnation now poured in. Well, he seems to have now taken out that very post. That post now seems to be unavailable. It is not opening, and that seems to have now been deleted as far as this pitch, which is now done into a lot of controversy even before the talks even could begin. So Pakistan was already in a celebratory mood, seeking for a Nobel Peace Prize and whatnot. However, the talks have not even begun. There are not even the leaders who have been dispatched for when it comes to Islamabad talks, and already a 2-day chutti or, when it comes to this off that has now been announced because this kind of grandstanding, Shinjoy, that Pakistan wanted to do ahead of these so-called Islamabad talks, will have greatly failed.
First of all, here is the Defense Minister of Pakistan, the Defense Minister, senior cabinet minister, tweeting statements like the ones he did. Now, that is like putting a foot on a giant banana peel. And naturally, there was outrage all over the world. Now, if you make inappropriate comments about Jews and Israel and Jews from a particular part of the world, then naturally people will take offense, and rightly too. And they did take offense. Now, here is a country that wants to be an intermediary. And one of the three people they are inviting for talks is Israel. And at that same moment, the Defense Minister of Pakistan speaks about Jews in an inappropriate way. Now, naturally, there are consequences of this. And it's a little late, perhaps, that the tweet.
No, but there have been multiple examples of Pakistan's faux pas, isn't it? I mean, Shinjoy, even during Operation Sindoor, it was the same man and the minister who seems to be depending on social media updates more than his own government and his own army. I mean, this is nothing less than a big embarrassment that is now coming right after their own Prime Minister seems to have put out, uploaded a draft message for the Pakistani PM message on X.
Yes. You see, the Nobel Prize, Alfred Nobel wanted the Nobel Prizes in physics, chemistry, peace, literature, and medicine. And later economics was added. Alfred Nobel never thought of a Nobel Prize in...
So what we are going to do, Shinjoy, right now is try to open that very post, and that very outrageous post that Israel has now been condemning what Pakistani Defense Minister has said, and we'll do that exactly because it now doesn't seem to be opening. So that means it's been deleted now by Khwaja Asif. Akansha?
Absolutely. This right here is the post that has been deleted by Pakistan's defense minister, in which he mentioned that Israel is evil and a curse for humanity. While peace talks are underway in Islamabad, genocide is being committed in Lebanon. Innocent citizens are being killed by Israel. First Gaza, then Iran, and now Lebanon. Bloodletting continues unabated. I hope and pray people who created this cancerous state of Palestinian land to get rid of European Jews burn in hell. So this has been posted by Israeli ambassador to the United States, and he has written here that Ayatollahs chanted death to Israel, and now a so-called mediator is echoing the same language. You are not a mediator, Mr. Asif. You are the problem. Even if it is to your dismay, Israel is here to stay. That's not a negotiation. So he has posted the screenshot of the post by Khwaja Asif, the defense minister of Pakistan, that he has now deleted, in which he called Israel evil and a curse for humanity.
Absolutely, because these, big row that now follows a series of strongly worded posts now deleted by Khwaja Asif on X, where he's described Israel to be an evil and a curse on humanity and alleged that genocide is being committed in Lebanon, even as the peace talks are even before to begin. As far as in Islamabad is concerned. So Pakistan making a fool out of itself, that is again, which is nothing new. But this is what is now being said. After that faux pas that was committed by their own Prime Minister, Nakal mein bhi akal is something that Pakistan doesn't seem to learn on that very reference. Let's in the meantime take a look exactly when it comes to this bitter war of words that has now been playing on social media, because right after Khwaja Asif posted that very objectionable post against Israel, well, Pakistani defense minister said that Israel is evil and it's a curse on humanity. However, Israel has been quick to hit back and questioning Pakistan's so-called neutrality. Blatant anti-Semitic blood libels by Pakistan, and from Prime Minister Netanyahu calling for Israel's annihilation is nothing but outrageous, where Khwaja Asif has said that there is genocide being committed in Lebanon when peace talks are on in Islamabad. Well, peace talks, first of all, are not on in Islamabad. Then Israel responding, saying that these are false accusations that have come in from a self-styled mediator, because that is what Pakistan is projecting itself as. And Pakistan's defense minister's statement cannot be tolerated, because the very role of a peacemaker, of a broker, of someone who wants to bring warring sides together, and peace seems to be the objective. Will that actually in the first place come in from a terror state like Pakistan? Because India has been saying and exposing Pakistan all along, and this would actually be also to a reference to those naysayers or that particular ecosystem which actually wanted India to play the role of a mediator. Well, look at Pakistan now. Is even Pakistan worth the praise that you were doing for Islamabad for having that kind of when it comes to what they have been projecting themselves as a peacemaker is concerned? Well, this is nothing but an embarrassment. This is nothing but an embarrassment that has now come in for Pakistan, now that their minister has deleted this very post, and we just tried to open that post. It is not. So this is now a withdrawal, as the pressure now seems to be building up on Pakistan's side as well. Let's, in the meantime, as we continue to get you the details that have been coming in, this is now coming at a time when it comes to Pakistan. The role of the mediator is now much questioned. And this, as far as Netanyahu's office has been denouncing the very statement coming in from the Pakistani leader.